Osemudia is right. Anybody can, or could naturalize anywhere he likes. If he actually finds out that if he goes to Igbo land with his family, he will be blessed. I don't know what to understand. He should do so. Everybody has his own right of, choice. So it's a question of choice. Now he is in between Nigeria and Biafra. And when the time for Biafra emancipation comes, Osemudia is coming to our land. He is welcome. And actually, if you examine the Edo land, Bendel, former Bendel, all they are along the coastal area, coastal region of Biafra. I think the young man, I think he's a man, right? The young man the guy is right. He's a good assertion. He has made it and so rightly, and that's a choice every individual is faced with right now. Biafra emancipation is sacrosanct, very, very, let me say, holy. It's something that I know that God's hand is behind it. And very soon the whole world will see it. Nigeria is no longer up to a match to Biafrans. And we are just watching as the whole world is watching right now. There's much injustice in Nigeria. The leadership is confused. It's a confused leadership. Nobody is receiving the dividend. He actually is expecting from each and every administration that comes and go. You see, the former administration of Buhari, Muhammad Buhari, that one was just exactly abyss. Nigerians were in abyss, worse than hellfire. And as if that was not enough, Nigeria jumped from the frying pan now into the real fire. So, Osemudias, the like of that guy, will be even, facing the same right of choice making. Biafra is a good place. Biafra is a land of the Igbos, and Osemudia, the like of the guy, actually understand that Igbo land, they actually know the right thing to do. Igbo man is not confused. Igbo man is not a crook, as everybody we are thinking in the past. They have examined the Hausa man, they have examined the Yoruba man, they have examined the Fulani man, even a German, because there was a time Jonathan was there. He was sleeping, could not even make a decision on his own. Jonathan was there, Fulanis, they were dictating for him. Imagine his vice, Jonathan's vice was against him, and Jonathan was sleeping. Look at nnamdikanu. He was Jonathan's vice president from Kaduna. He lost. I'm telling you, he lost his word. Tell me, what is it that nnamdikanu did where the man did get it wrong in Kaduna that warranted him losing out in his word? I'm telling you, his polling unit, he could not win for Jonathan. Just imagine. But imagine that type of insult. It's unfair now. And not that Jonathan regime was bad. Do you know why? It is because it was based on religion. Simply because Jonathan is a Christian. That's why everything went against nnamdikanu. In that word, he failed. He betrayed Jonathan. I don't want to understand what I'm saying. So that is it. Everybody in Nigeria is confused from 2015 till death. This is 2024. 9 years old. Everybody is confused. The like of that we are brother from Asian. There are many of them in the south, many of them in the north, many of them in the mid belt. That's mid north. Thinking otherwise. I'm telling you, Nigeria is no longer a safe place for you and I. Is security wise? Is it economic wise? Which way now? Because I'm aware that there are another group, Lukarawas. Lukarawas is from Iran. And Israel has come out to tell Nigerians, look, this is what Iran is doing to destabilize Nigeria. Nigerian government was busy attending Council of Arab meeting in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Kudukudu, Kwekwe, tinubu is much concerned about Council of Arab meeting. which is more or less OIC meeting, Organization of Islamic Congress. On getting to the Council of Arab meeting, he messed. The big mess he messed was that he started talking about Israel leaving a Palestinian, that land belonged to them. I don't know what I understand. Instead of facing the reality, instead of facing issues bordering on, you know, on economy, on security, you know, and a way forward, moving Nigeria forward. This man, upon the fact that he has become a borrower, he went to Arab so that they will borrow him another money. He start talking another thing. The kind of leaders we have in Nigeria are clueless leaders, insensitive leaders. Could be that Tinubu is a sensitive leader. He's not supposed to go Council of Arab meeting. Nigerian president going to Council of Arab countries meeting for what? Are we Arabs? Are we Arab Republic of Nigeria? Is it not Egypt that we know? That is Arab Republic of Egypt. Yeah. Why? What is the reason behind that summit he attended? Everything in Nigeria is about madness, unnecessary madness, because there are issues of food drought as a result of insecurity. When there was no Boko Haram, no bandit, no killer herdsmen in the north in Nigeria, Nigeria will have enough food. There was nothing like food drought then. We all cultivate the land, we harvest, we have enough. But look at leaving a prevailing issue for another matter entirely. What is he doing there? That is the issue. Before you know it, he will buy fleet of aircraft and pay for yachts. All these political leaders are mad people. They are very, very mad. They don't attend to our issues, our benefit. No, they attend only to their own, their family, their selfish interest. So I don't know. Anybody that is saying the country is not all right, there's injustice, is leaving Biafra, Nigeria for Biafra, you know, that kind of thing. You know, that person is saying the right thing. Because in this country now, everybody is confused. Economically, Nigeria is drifting, is nose diving into, let me say, abyss. Because a situation whereby people don't eat 3 times a day. You can see anybody reason like an animal. It is when a man eats well, he reasons well. When a man doesn't eat well, he reasons like a monster. I don't know what I'm saying. So people you see sometimes, they commit heinous crime simply because they have not eaten enough good food. Somebody cannot just come out and say, he is selling his kid. He's going to sell his children. Don't you see that something is wrong? It's because of hunger. And an angry man is a hungry man. A hungry man can kill a madman. That will tell you how far hunger has gone to be worse. Because a hungry man can kill a madman. Why? A hungry man is intelligent. When he is hungry, he can go what? Berserk. He can go berserk in the sense that he can handle any weapon too well, more than a madman. A madman that is going berserk might not know how to operate trigger or use knife. But a hungry man is a man whose sanity is in order. He can use any weapon too well. That's why a hungry man kills a madman. No, it's an Igbo language. It's an Igbo language. Yes, a hungry man can kill a madman. When a man is hungry, you don't know what it means. So Nigeria is full of all manners of all disease of, you know, human characters. One, you see some that are mad as a result of hunger. You see some that are what? Hungry as a result of what? Ignominy. You know what to do, you don't do it. You just face government. When government bring money, if government not bring money, some of them who are waiting on that mango tree every month ending to go home with Ghana must go. Work that they have not done, they are cutting away money in millions into their homes. That's why I'm telling you that North constitutes the worst problem Nigeria has ever had. North is not producing anything. Some persons from Sahel country, desert, you start invading people's region, forcefully taking away what belongs to them. Every Hausa man is eyeing that oil. Every Hausa man is eyeing that oil, nothing again. Fulani man no get any other thing than to rear cow, go buy oil well. Simple. Look at Sokoto, Sadoro Sokoto. Tackling Simon Ekpa that he can't do it. What Simon Ekpa is doing cannot work. After all, is he going to tell him that that's his oil well in Akwa Ibom? There are many type of madness, classes, classified madness. Other, it has classes. It is segmented, many types. It is multifaceted madness going on in Nigeria. Because we're not doing the right thing in this country. That's why I have the political thieves who are, let me use the word, rogues, catching out, running such an expensive, government, turning their back on the citizens. And the citizens, what? Become mugu. Why you? Everybody. Mumu. It's not right. You are catching out, feeding on the people's blood, minding, paying your family attention, sending your school to the best school overseas. Turning your back on education in Nigeria. Education, go to various universities across this country. The whole facilities in the universities are dilapidated. None of them is working. If you go to Nsukka UI, if you go to their toilet facilities, you will spit. It is too bad. And those are federal universities. And Nigeria has money. And tomorrow, if you go to AU meeting, Organization of African Unity meeting, you will say, I'm a giant. I'm Nigeria. I'm a Nigeria. I'm a giant. Which giant are you? You are a dwarf.
But we've seen Prime Minister he said Tinubu should be prepared that in the next from December to February that a new terrorist group will come out that will be more worse than Lokarawas. That it will be a combination of Boko Haram, ISIS, Al Qaeda, and Hezbollah. That they will come together and even invade different states, even Abuja itself. But he mentioned the only southeast state he mentioned was Imo State. Should Uzodimma now be prepared as regards insecurity there in Imo State?
Okay, I don't mind. You say now who talk this one? Nah, Ayodele where they predict many where we never see come to pass.
Uzodimma is trying.
He's trying.
He's trying.
God, I don't think God chose them all these things. God is the one that will tell you, will tell the people, not you. Reading when you read, you anticipate it's coming. Then you come and tell us, say, it's a prophecy or God will say. I don't believe anybody. I don't believe. I believe in God, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's me. I don't believe anybody that comes out and say, nnamdikanu will die. Nnamdikanu will die. If he doesn't beg tinubu, remember he prophesied it. We are waiting. So these are your prophecy about various terror groups coming into Nigeria from the axis of Middle East, Europe. I'm telling you, it is already happening because sometimes in 2015, sometimes in 99 during Obasanjo regime, CIA, American CIA, they projected it that it's going to be a long time, war against terror, because they penciled down Sudan, penciled down northern Nigeria as Al Qaeda fortress. Al Qaeda is going to infiltrate northern Nigeria and take over everywhere. That's what they said. America prediction, I'm telling you, and we see it working out. I don't know what I understand. But all this one where somebody will wake up, he's saying before prophet say God. We are now matured in Christianity. If anybody talk, fine. If you like, take it. If you don't like, pray and pray, worship and praise God. Let nobody deceive you. I don't understand. All I know is that earlier on, during Obasanjo, Yar'Adua, Jonathan regime, it was predicted that the North will be a battle playground for all manners of terror groups in the world. I named them. One, Al-Shabaab, Al-Qaeda, ISIS, Boko Haram, you see, Boko Haram is there. Ansar, you see, then Lukarawa. So this man is saying, I don't know whether he go call him prophecy because already he don't dey there. I wonder why waiting in the prophesize again when he don't dey there. My brother, let us be ourselves and face God, I beg. Forget Nigerian man where they tell you saying be man of God or this.
December 2nd is December 2nd, and December 2nd must come to pass. See, the whole world is watching and the whole world is waiting. They're making oil with the enemy, but one day the oil will be dry and the isolation will be installed, and Biafra will become a sovereign state, and the whole world will recognize and they will celebrate. At that one, it must come to pass because the underground fight is going on. No matter the intimidation, no matter the welfare, no matter the military power, no matter the manpower that the government of the land is trying to impose, trying to intimidate the people of the Easterner, it's not going to work. See what is happening here. You see what is happening. See Samuel Ekpa now. You see Samuel Ekpa is still fighting for the liberation of his people. You see, he must fight against the invaders. Who are the invaders? Tinubu, the leader of the invaders. Let us be frank with ourselves. No matter the system, no matter the intimidation, Biafra must come to pass one day. You understand? You see nnamdikanu now, they brought nnamdikanu, who was kidnapped. Kidnapped is a crime, it's an international crime. Kidnapping a citizen, a freedom fighter from Kenya down to Nigeria. For how long? We're still in the incarceration. So the government of Nigeria is wrong. You see, the acceleration of Biafra must come to pass, no matter the intimidation. That's why I like someone like Sam Ekpa. He's fighting on the behalf of the Biafra Republic. You see, let us be frank with ourselves. You see, when we watch Nigeria, you see the Yoruba, the Igbo, and the Hausa. You see, two leaders have been ruling, they have been marginalizing one side of the country. And you are using a language and say they are one Nigeria. We are not one Nigeria. Let us be frank with ourselves. That's why you see see, before it was a Mazop, after Ojuku Mazop, now Mazop, now IPOB. You see, there must one day come to pass that nation will be declared as a sovereign state of the Biafra Republic. Whether you like it or not, see what Samuel Ekpa is doing the right thing. See, according to what I've been seeing, what I've been watching, I've been following, is a next lion after Kanu. He's a lion in the jungle now. See, you have to represent these people as a freedom fighter, as a warlord. And I know and I believe that the majority of them, there are millions. Those few ones, like someone like Solodo, someone like Aunanese, see, those are the enemy of the Biafra. When you watch the scenario, see, those ones, they are licking oil with the federal government. They are licking oil with the enemy. But one day, the oil will be dry, and the isolation will be installed, and Biafra will become a sovereign state, and the whole world will recognize and they will celebrate. At that one, it must come to pass because the underground fight is going on. No matter the intimidation, no matter the welfare, no matter the military power, no matter the manpower that the government of the land is trying to impose, trying to intimidate the people of the Easterner, it's not going to work. See, now you now appoint a lady, Bianca. You do want to tell her that now you are trying to. Why don't you release Kanu first? You don't want to release Kanu and you want to go to Enugu. You see, all those are things of the past. It can never work. See, Biafra must be Biafra, and Biafra must come to pass one day. See, that one is a realistic. You see, December 2nd is December 2nd, and December 2nd must come to pass. See, the whole world is watching and the whole world is waiting. No matter the intimidation, no matter the high it be, there must be declaration of Biafra Republic. Ekpa to stand. See, we are tired of to be Nigeria because we are not Nigeria. Because the maltreatment, see, right from day one to today, how many Igbos? Upon the massacre of the Biafra war, to today, to tomorrow, there is no recognition of the Igbo man in Nigeria society. So I want to let us to go our way while holding us ransom. But now we are taking the bull by the horn, by force, by fire. We must come and Biafra must stand. No matter it be. You see, Buhari has come, has gone. Now it's Tinubu. Tinubu know the real thing. Let nnamdikanu be released and let the freedom come there and let there be peace. Because when no peace, violence continue and Biafra must come to pass. That's why I stand with Sam Ekpa. Because what he's doing in diaspora is giving more awareness to the whole world to recognize that one day IPOB must stand. And now is the day, and we must stand.
But you think people say that if Tinubu were to be a good governor, a good president, and a good leader, that him coming to the southeast, they should have appreciated or appreciate what he's been doing for the Igbos, but because of they don't like his style of leadership, and at the same time he has not released nnamdikanu. That's why they are not happy as regards the leadership. But do you think that if Tinubu was to come to Anambra, do you think that the southeastern people will be happy with him?
You see, let us be frank with ourselves. Say the deal has not been done. The deal has not been done. When you say it's a done deal, it's not done deal yet. Why don't you release the young man at his earlier age? You see, if you release nnamdikanu today, Tinubu will be the most populous and most luckless man in the region of the Biafra. Because you must release that son. You can't come and meet me in my home and play with me when my son is in your custody. You see, let us have that freedom. Let the Biafra people feel a sense of relief. And nnamdikanu is the number one face of Biafra. If Kanu is not released, there's not going to be peace here. There's not going to be peace here. There's going to be anarchy. The situation is going to rise. And the more the situation is rising, it's getting out of hand. Because the majority of the Eastern people don't like the style of the leadership of what Tinubu is doing. You see, let nnamdikanu be set free. And let us be happy with the system. And let Igbo, if you want to be a real leader, you know the system. The system is like a father. Involve everybody along the line. Involve along the line. See, let Kanu, first and foremost. See, this December time. If you reach Kanu today now, you will see there will be a jubilation in the whole Nigeria. You see, all the hashing will stop. See, there are things that are not supposed to be happening because of things that have been done illegally. You see, for example, if you reach nnamdikanu now, you will see that there will be manifestation of, you see, the hardship will be less than what we are experiencing now. See, let nnamdikanu they have a freedom. See, freedom must come, and that's what we are looking for. Forget about the senator, forget about the politician. They are enemy of the actualization of the Biafra Republic, and it must come to pass. Tinubu must do a fatherly gesture and let him go. Let peace reign. Because majority of the South, they are not happy with the doctrine of him. Because we thought that this man, Buhari, is an outside man, doesn't know A and B. And we know, and he left, and you came as you are an understanding man, you are a wise man. Use that hand, olive hand, let him go, and let us see what will happen. There will be peace. Peace will reign in that region. And that region, the whole Nigeria, there will be atmosphere of peace. Let it be done. We are begging him. Because the power, everything is in his decks. See, there is something like saying you are coming to my home, and my home is your cell. It never make any senses. Let freedom come, and let us embrace peace.
Yes. Said that if they release nnamdikanu today, that the economy of Nigeria will improve. The cost of living and the hardship will reduce in the country.
The majority of the cost of living and the hardship we are facing, if you trace it down the line, you will see the one that has the economic powers in Nigeria, they are the Igbos. Let us be frankly speaking. Igbo not get the A and B and C for Nigeria. Whereby you now say you put one of them for sale, one of them you say now get pata. If you just fight for that matter, the voice of the masses, voice of the people, you are saying you want to it can never be well with the system of the government. Let cannot be released. See, the hardship will reduce, and that one is systematically truth. I will tell you, and that is the truth. Because majority of people, majority of their money have been withdrawn from the Nigeria economic market. So hardship now increase. Release him, and you see the hardship reduce. It will reduce one for all. Simple as ABCD. Arithmetic. Let the young man go free, and let us see the fresh air that will penetrate in this avenue. I'm telling you the reality. Let Kanu go.
But you think that for Tinubu, he has the power to at least go to whichever state he wants. Just like we said, if Tinubu goes to the southeast today.
The atmosphere in the southeast is not the atmosphere in the west or in the north. You see, enemy came, you create an enmity. You don't, don't believe that they will welcome you as a citizen, as a president of the nation, because you are enemy. Let us be frank with ourselves. See, what you have done, what you're supposed to have done, you never do it. You have to do the right thing. Let my people go. You say Pharaoh, Moses said it in the Bible. He said, let my people go because he was not happy with the malfeasance of his people. So we are not happy here. So let us go and let my people go. Free our child here. See, there will be conducive environment for us to be happy with ourselves. Just very simple arithmetic. Let the young man go.